guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Petra, and today I'm going to do something I keep hearing about. I've seen some videos on soap brows, which you guys probably saw in the title, which kind of, it's like using soap and it really tends to like fluff your brows up, which we'll see how much I can fluff mine up there. You know, kind of thin, so I kind of want to try this technique. I've never tried it, so this is the first time. I'm just gonna do it with you guys today. So I'm gonna quit blabbing and let's go ahead and get into the video. So what you'll need is just some soap, and I have this Dr. Bronner's kind of like just white soap or whatever I use. I use it actually to clean my makeup brushes too. We'll see. Hopefully it works for this too. And then you just need like a clean angled like spoolie. So I'm just using this is a Sephora one. So you just take that and you just need some water. So I'm just going to wet the end of the makeup or of the spoolie brush, and then you just want to rub that onto the soap. So then you just start combing up your brows. Sorry guys, I had to switch out my spoolie brush. That other one was like I think I wet it too much, so I switched out my spoolie. But yeah, so your brows just get like fluffier and fluffier, and they get kind of sticky. And really this is something that they kind of do for like fashion shows and things like that. So, I mean, you could do them every day. I don't know, I'm kind of curious. I mean, they really make your face look a little more lifted. That's a good thing. So I had to fix my light a little bit. So that's kind of what they look like right now. So next I'm going to go in with a angled brush. I'm using my Linda Hallberg. This is the 333 angled brush by Linda Hallberg. And then I'm gonna go into my Anastasia just brow powder. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna wet that brush and just dry it off here a little bit. But I'm gonna go into the brow powder, and then I'm just gonna fix the areas that are a little sparse. If I like the brown so much, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my e.l.f. This is my e.l.f. Like black gel liner. I'm just gonna put a touch of that on, like up here by the arch. Yeah, so that's looking fun, right? Totally feel like I got a facelift. Guys, so that is the brows. That is the finished look with the brows there. So for the rest of my face, I'm just gonna do something really simple. I'm just gonna go in with some lashes, I think, and then a bright red lip to finish off the look. First, I am going to put on lashes, and I'm just gonna use these Kiss Ever Easy lashes. This is just like a 2-pack here. And they look like this right here. They're just kind of a soft little fluffy lash, and they are number 3. So but first I'm going to go in with mascara, and right now I've been kind of using this It Cosmetics superhero mascara. Sometimes I don't feel like using a waterproof, especially when I do tutorials, because it's easier to wash off, and I usually put lashes on, so I don't need to worry about my mascara being waterproof. So I'm just gonna put on a little bit, and now I'm gonna go ahead and throw on these little lashes here. I'm using a new glue. I'm using the Duo brush on adhesive that's in dark, and it has like vitamins and stuff, but I like it because it doesn't have formaldehyde or latex in it. So if you're allergic to any of those things, that glue is really good. And it's black. And I didn't think I would like the black lash glue, but I actually do, so try it out, try it out. I'm gonna go ahead and now go in with a little bit of the black e.l.f. liner for my waterline. These lashes, the lash band's really thin, so it kind of shows up quite a bit more than I thought it would. So done with lashes. They're kind of annoying. I'm not really a big fan of these lashes, I've decided. They're actually harder to put on than the ones with a thicker band because this band is so like wobbly. It just is really hard to place. So, or for me, it's hard to place. Maybe an expert it's not. But anyway, so I'm done with the face. I'll put those products down below, but I am going to now go in with a blush from my favorite Tarte color wheel, this one right here. I think it came out in like 2016, and I'm gonna go in with the shade, I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Ironic down here. It's kind of like a purplish pinkish, like maybe like a plum shade. This new product that I got, this Makeup Revolution Rose Gold Liquid Highlighter. And yeah, it's in the shade Rose Gold, but they're, I think, the dupes for the Cover FX ones. But yeah, so I'm just gonna dot like a couple dots on each side of my face. And then I'm gonna take my Beauty Blender and I'm just going to blot those in, or dot those in. So pretty over blush. Oh my gosh. This might be my new favorite kind of highlight to do. So anyways. Okay, then for lip, I just picked up, I got a free lipstick for all the MAC lipsticks I've been turning in. I'm gonna go in with the Retro Matte from MAC called Ruby Woo. And it's that shade. Everybody, I think it's a classic shade. So I'm gonna first go in with Cherry by MAC, this lip pencil here. You know what I forgot to do, and I'm sorry if you saw this, I got a little mascara under my eye. So the best thing is to let it dry, and then you take a clean brush, and then you basically just, you know, scrape it away, and hopefully there's no damage done. But that's a trick I learned from, I think, somebody else on YouTube. Okay, so. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the lipstick. And then I'm just gonna clean up with I have the MAC 318 lip brush. And I'm just gonna clean up with that. Alright you guys, so this is it. This is the finished look, which is good because I can tell my light is starting to dim down and go away. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I know it's a little bit crazy, not really an everyday kind of look, but I don't know, it was kind of fun to try, and I kind of like how I totally feel like I've got fluffy, uplifted brows, which uplifts my face too. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and stopping by, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh crap. What am I doing? What am I doing? Doing the wrong thing.